is Victor with Moderno Appliances and Furniture. Today we have 3 tips. We're going to show you how to keep your refrigerator running its best. The first one is the door gasket. You're going to put alcohol or whatever product you use. You spray in a cloth or towel. You're going to go around your gasket. This is going to keep your gasket clean, prevent mildew, and keep the tight seal. Tip 2 is about airflow. The vent is in the back part of the refrigerator. You should not block the vent. Move any food that might be blocking the vent. Airflow is important to keep the temperature in your refrigerator. Tip 3 is clean the condenser. To clean the condenser, you have to pull out the refrigerator. We're going to take the cover off and we're going to clean the condenser. Put the plate to the side. This is your condenser. After you take the cover off, you're just going to take a brush and clean it. You're going to see a lot of dust, and you can have you vacuum it, and this is going to help you to have better airflow through the entire refrigerator. We recommend you do this twice a year. If you have pet, we recommend that you do it more often to get rid of the pet hair. Thanks for watching. If you follow the steps, it will keep your food fresh longer.